Kendis board has 3 review modes, and they are each named after mythical birds: Alicanto, Griffin, Phoenix. Alicanto is the default mode for your board, and you should plan all your features, stories, and dependencies in this mode. This means using drag and drop operations to create stories or dependencies will only work in this mode. The specialty of this mode is to show you each occurrence of the feature, meaning if a feature is planned in 3 sprints by a team, it will be shown in each of those sprints. If you switch to the team area, you will see the features that are just for that selected team. Now let's look at Griffin mode. When a feature is planned by multiple teams, meaning the feature has stories in multiple team sprints, it can be hard to understand when a particular team will be finished with the implementation of a feature. Let's say if Feature 10 is planned in Sprint 1 and 2 by Team Alpha and in Sprint 2 and 3 by Team Beta. When you select the Griffin mode, Kendis will look for the stories for each feature, and it will show you 1 card per feature for each team, grouping all the stories under it. This means Feature 10 will be shown once for Team Alpha in Sprint 2 and once for Team Beta in Sprint 3. This helps you to understand the order of the implementation better when a feature is being worked on by multiple teams. Filters in this mode also work, so if you type FEA-10 in the search, then you will only see that feature along with the teams that are involved. This is helpful when you have a large board with many teams. Finally, there's Phoenix mode. This mode shows you the final delivery sprint and a team for a feature. So expanding on the example of Feature 10, in Phoenix mode, it will only be shown for Team Beta in Sprint 3, as that's the farthest sprint on the board. The important thing to note is that the card has all the team and sprint labels to provide you with the complete picture. You can also click on the story count to view all the stories. Phoenix mode also has a special flag that shows you the features with unplanned stories. So keeping the original position of the feature delivery, which in this case is Feature 10 in Sprint 3, Kendis will list the stories that are not planned in any of the sprints on the Kendis board. Another important aspect of this mode is it shows you the dependencies created in Jira between features as blue lines.